Hey y'all, this is Richard. Today is October 27th, and I just want to make a quick video for you. I stopped on my way home and had these on my mind. So, first off, probably one of the hottest topics today is that shooting that happened in Philadelphia. I'm going to say what I've said before. Don't pull weapons on police officers. What do you think is going to happen if you do? And I'm going to go ahead and say preliminarily, based on the video footage I've seen so far, circumstantially, this looks like suicide by cop. So, second topic, the confirmation and installation of the new Supreme Court Justice, Coney Barrett, and I think she was a good pick for it. I think that she needed to be put in now, because with all the shenanigans going on in our nation right now, this election could end up in the courts. And second off, something I've been saying for quite a while now is that the very poor legal decision by the Supreme Court in Roe versus Wade needs the opportunity to be re-explored and, if necessary, overturned. So a judge that is at least willing to entertain the possibility that there may be constitutional problems with Roe versus Wade, that's a positive thing for this nation. It was the Supreme Court that decided that unborn Homo sapien is not a person. Just like the Supreme Court decided in Dred Scott versus Sanford that people of African descent were not people, and then it took a civil war to overturn it. 600,000 Americans, service members on both sides, gave their lives because of that bad Supreme Court decision. If we can get Roe versus Wade overturned with a Supreme Court nomination, that's a huge win for this country compared to what we stand to lose if we lose all hope that it could ever be overturned peacefully. So that brings me to topic number 3, which is, I guess you want to say, part 2 of the mitigation fatigue. I'm starting to see more COVID cases coming up. It's starting to get hold of more elderly people and more healthcare workers. And so, just anecdotally, it's going back up. And that's not to say it's going back up everywhere, but just from what I'm seeing locally here, that the number of cases is coming back up again. So people need to be protecting themselves, especially people in vulnerable populations, especially healthcare workers, and don't get complacent. You should wear a mask or a face shield, depending upon what your medical picture is. But you also have to do it properly, or else you might as well not. It's all about reducing your risk. The goal is to reduce the viral load that your body encounters to the point that your body can handle it. What that level is going to be different for every individual. And It's sad to say some people have underlying conditions out there that they don't know that they have. And, COVID may trigger it. And, still to date, the people who have been the sickest with it that I've had have been people around my age group or even younger. Whereas the majority, the numerically high number of patients that I've seen who have it are people in the older to oldest categories. So, that's not to say that anyone is necessarily immune from it. Most people can handle it without a problem, it's looking like. And, some people can't. And you're never going to know which one you are until you've got it. And by the time you've got it, it's too late to be discovering that. So, protect yourself. And please, please, please wash your hands. Use good surface hygiene, hand hygiene, body hygiene. So this is the way to go about it, about reducing that load. Pushing that load down so that when or if your body encounters it, your body's immune system has the longest running start possible. Unless something new has come up that I'm unaware of, still the only confirmed cure for COVID is your own immune system. Everything else that they do is supportive of that. So support it on the front end by trying to avoid contact, and then your own personal mitigation, being well nourished, well hydrated, and and then if you start feeling sick, make sure that you stay home. Stay home if you are sick. Don't go around giving whatever you've got, even if it's not COVID, to other people while we've got this going around. So, I'm tired. I'm going home. See y'all later.